Looking for the perfect family getaway, but not sure where to start? In this video, we'll uncover some of the world's most incredible destinations, from Iceland's northern lights to Thailand's tropical beaches, from Italy's timeless history to South Africa's wild safaris. But here's the twist. We're not just showing you the beauty. We'll break down real costs, family-friendly activities, and the hidden gems that make each spot unforgettable. So stay with us until the end, because your dream vacation might just be waiting in one of these countries. 15. Iceland. Iceland is an enchanting destination showcasing extraordinary natural phenomena like active geysers, cascading waterfalls, and the mesmerizing aurora borealis. Visitors can immerse themselves in dramatic landscapes, soothing geothermal springs, and ancient ice formations. The destination offers numerous family-oriented activities, including whale observation tours and guided glacier expeditions. Must-visit attractions like the iconic Blue Lagoon and the renowned Golden Circle route deliver unforgettable experiences. Traveling to Iceland comes with moderate expenses. Lodging options vary from $120 to $250 nightly, while family meals for four typically cost between $120 and $250 nightly, $30 and $60. Adventure activities such as glacier explorations and Northern Lights tours range from $50 to $100. 14. Switzerland. Switzerland captivates families seeking majestic alpine vistas, picturesque villages, and outdoor escapades. Travelers can discover the grandeur of the Swiss Alps, explore historic Lucerne, and experience cosmopolitan Geneva. Popular activities include skiing, mountain hiking, and cycling adventures. Family-oriented destinations like Jungfrau and the iconic Matterhorn promise thrilling experiences. Switzerland is a premium destination. Accommodations range from $150 to $400 per night, while dining costs for a family of four typically fall between $40 and $70 per meal. Various activities, including ski passes, guided hiking tours, and scenic railway journeys cost between $100 and $200. 13. New Zealand. New Zealand's spectacular scenery makes it a perfect choice for adventure-seeking families. Queenstown serves as an adventure sports hub, offering activities from hiking trails to bungee jumping experiences. The South Island's magnificent Fiordland National Park features incredible views, including the famous Milford Sound, ideal for family boat excursions. Rotorua draws visitors with its geothermal attractions, offering families enjoyable experiences in thermal pools and therapeutic mud baths. Accommodation prices typically range from $100 to $250 nightly, with family meals for four averaging $20 to $50. Adventure activities and boat excursions generally cost between $50 and $150. 12. Thailand. Thailand offers families an ideal blend of cultural immersion, adventure opportunities, and relaxation at budget-friendly prices. Bangkok presents vibrant urban experiences, while Phuket and Chiang Mai feature pristine beaches and authentic market experiences. Families can visit cultural landmarks, enjoy scenic island excursions, and savor authentic Thai flavors. Accommodations typically cost between $30 and $100 per night, with family meals for four averaging $10 to $25. Popular activities like island tours and temple explorations usually range from $20 to $50. 11. Portugal. Portugal delights visitors with its coastal beauty, historic urban centers, and exceptional cuisine. Lisbon and Porto showcase rich heritage, while the Algarve offers perfect beach destinations. Families enjoy exploring medieval castles, local wineries, and traditional villages. Accommodation costs typically range from $80 to $200 nightly, while family dining for four averages $15 to $35 per meal. Various activities including wine tours, castle visits, and beach activities generally cost between $30 and $70. 10. South Africa. South Africa beckons families with its diverse wildlife encounters, pristine natural landscapes, and thrilling outdoor experiences. The iconic Kruger National Park, vibrant Cape Town, and the scenic garden route provide unforgettable adventures amidst breathtaking surroundings. Families can embark on exhilarating safaris, explore scenic hiking trails, and enjoy memorable coastal activities. Accommodation options cater to various budgets, with nightly rates typically ranging from $100 to $300, while family dining for four averages between $20 and $50 per meal. Engaging activities, such as wildlife safaris and cultural experiences, generally cost between $50 and $100. 9. Italy. Italy enchants families with its rich historical heritage, picturesque towns, and world-renowned cuisine. Iconic cities like Rome, Florence, and Venice showcase magnificent landmarks, including the Colosseum and Vatican. The stunning Amalfi Coast and Cinque Terre offer idyllic beaches and charming coastal villages. Accommodation costs typically range from $100 to $250 per night, while family meals for four average $20 to $50. Activities including historical tours, boat excursions, and vineyard visits usually cost between $50 and $150. 8. Bali, Indonesia. Bali stands out as an exceptional destination for families seeking pristine beaches, rich cultural heritage, and thrilling activities. This Indonesian island captivates visitors with its verdant landscapes, sacred temples, and warm hospitality. Popular beaches, including Seminyak and Nusa Dua, provide perfect settings for family relaxation. Families can participate in various water sports, including snorkeling, surfing, and scuba diving. Child-friendly destinations, such as the Ubud Monkey Forest and Bali Safari Park, enhance the island's appeal for families. Travel expenses in Bali remain reasonable. Lodging costs range from $50 to $150 nightly, while meal expenses typically fall between $10 and $30 for a family of four. Adventure activities, like snorkeling tours and attraction entrance fees, cost between $20 to $50 per activity. 7. Greece. Greece presents stunning vistas, rich historical sites, and picturesque islands that create ideal family getaways. Visitors can discover famous destinations including Athens, Santorini, and Crete. Families experience ancient monuments, savor Mediterranean cuisine, and enjoy pristine coastlines. Island-hopping cruises provide memorable adventures for family travelers. Travel costs in Greece are mid-range. Accommodations vary from $100 to $300 per night, while dining costs typically range from $20 to $50 per meal for a family of four. Excursions to historical sites and island tours generally cost between $50 to $100. 6. Japan. Japan combines ancient traditions with contemporary excitement. It suits families interested in urban exploration, historic temples, and amusement parks. Destinations like Tokyo, Kyoto, and Osaka offer both historical and modern experiences. Family attractions include Disneyland Tokyo, Universal Studios, and traditional temples. Hokkaido provides excellent opportunities for outdoor recreation, including hiking and winter sports. Japan's pricing varies. Lodging ranges from $100 to $250 nightly, while meals typically cost between $20 and $50 for a family of $450 to $100. 5. Costa Rica. Costa Rica attracts adventure-seeking families with its natural wonders, diverse wildlife, and dense rainforests. Visitors explore national parks including Arenal Volcano and Manuel Antonio. Popular activities include ziplining, surfing, and wildlife observation. Towns like La Fortuna and Monteverde feature family-oriented eco-adventures. Costa Rica offers reasonable prices. Accommodations cost between $80 to $200 per night, while meals range from $15 to $35 for a family of four. Eco-tours and ziplining adventures typically cost between $30 to $80. 4. Australia. Australia offers vast landscapes featuring unique wildlife, magnificent beaches, and adventure opportunities. Key destinations include Sydney, the Gold Coast, and the Great Barrier Reef. Popular activities encompass snorkeling, surfing, and wildlife park visits. Notable attractions like the Sydney Opera House and Uluru create lasting memories. Australian travel costs are moderate. Accommodations range from $100 to $300 nightly, while dining expenses typically fall between $20 and $50 per meal for a family of 4. Activities including reef tours, wildlife parks, and theme parks cost between $50 to $150. 3. Kenya. Kenya captivates adventure-seeking families with its exceptional safari opportunities. The regions of Nairobi, Masai Mara, and Amboseli National Park deliver remarkable wildlife encounters, indigenous cultural experiences, and spectacular natural vistas. Families can select from various wildlife lodges and reserves for their stay. Accommodation prices typically range from $150 to $500 nightly, while meal costs for a family of 4 average between $20 and $50. Wildlife tours and safari experiences generally cost between $100 and $200. 2. Norway. Norway attracts families with its majestic scenery and outdoor experiences, including the spectacular Aurora Borealis. Oslo, Tromsø, and the Fjord District provide opportunities for trekking, aurora viewing, and picturesque railway journeys. Families can explore the distinctive Lofoten Islands and Bergen. Lodging costs typically range from $120 to $300 per night, while meals for a family of 4 average between $30 and $60. Aurora tours, fjord expeditions, and hiking excursions usually cost between $50 and $150. 1. Dubai. Dubai combines opulence with family entertainment, creating an ideal destination for modern luxury vacations. The iconic Burj Khalifa, Palm Jumeirah, and Dubai Mall offer memorable experiences, while attractions like IMG Worlds of Adventure ensure entertainment for everyone. Accommodations typically cost between $150 and $400 nightly, with meals for a family of 4 averaging $30 to $70. Activities including theme parks, desert expeditions, and city tours generally range from $50 to $100. Let us know your preferred destination choice, and remember to like, subscribe, and activate notifications for more travel content. Safe journeys and wonderful adventures. So, which destination captured your imagination most? Was it Iceland's glowing skies, Portugal's sunny coastlines, or Kenya's once-in-a-lifetime safaris? Wherever your heart is set, these countries prove that adventure, culture, and unforgettable memories are always within reach. Don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and ring the bell so you never miss our next travel guide. And tell us in the comments, where would you take your family first? Your journey starts with a single step, and maybe that step begins right here.